has a former president. Why emphatic on Sika Ituadema top government officials? And who hear you so see Tuasani money because it draining. Measures are they cut down a buying expenditure. No. One of them, and I mentioned Waka about S. Gracia and Sudi, and so I mentioned that one. And other issues are or the Atuja.
So, John, good Maminchel, Doctor Alaji Shak. Anyway, I'm say Asama okay, President Mama on the 2nd of March 2023. University of Health and Allied Sciences, yeah. And he made it clear that he will run not more than 60 ministers, which includes both ministers and deputy ministers. So that one is clear. Then, what's that can be recently, or say all will be in your appointment letter. So you your mouth. So I'm just say when you accept appointment in India.
Then you also
you don't accept. Yeah. And you know, and also very clear. And yet, and ministries in so. You know, 2016, you proposal be and was not can be say utilities are almost used at various ministries, about into a beam. So can I remember running ministry, and why be number the bed would be here. And a whole lot of things. 87.9. You realize, will be a watching if you for about 8 years. Now I reflect on so many things. And the one kind there are so many things coming up. Because he has to prove so if you want to and opportunities or what sign a baby and Ramana Quans or maybe or be papa be or bad obey. And so called she will submit notice or cancer. Within the first 100 days, you call for a national dialogue on the economy, which is very important at this time. Because we all need to be on the same page before we can move forward. And know what goes into calling for a national dialogue.
Very important, yeah.
And I have a clear path to economic recovery and development. Without that, the idea will be a bit me a proposal a bit my idea because it seeks to bring all of us on the same page and also bind all of us pathway and a quite bit my idea. And quite the first now what you are now idea this time once we are proposing that wouldn't to this be new you need to seek or more most likely is almost a bit my idea about Bemo almost again chess also 10 chaya. No so far you say maybe I would be seen on Mr. Bammy better was right. Yeah. So I think say maybe I nominate and once that will and you see it's one thing so can idea and it's over yeah. I was say when you be a bit me a propeller a bit my idea once nipa or confidence woman. Do people respect yourself feel because by maintenance or baba and obey confidence papa am in a question as I can say can we are the what can obey an answer on a day on ye and once he has an man you know any day I have no doubt in my mind say intimate happen.
I see.
Yeah.
And S. Gracian so he has been consistent from 2020.
Yes, appointment
that into amount. But there's a provision in the constitution, so the process here goes through.
On say, Oma appoint to woman, very straightforward. Then an entrance clause. No, it's not an entrance clause. And as gas and ceremony channel a monument winner. The next government and this back power 2025. We will come and go for the pay and it's over set another committee.
Yeah.
And I bet you on a country out there. I was on from 2020 to date and I'm yeah. So Article 71 and yet entrance clause. So it becomes the prerogative of the president. I mean, I may fast by mammy. But I'll give you another alternative. Also, to me, the man. Two things. na ko baby bit my yan wagye no why
Why?
yeah
All right. Doc, Mama, you take on this very issue now. You move on.